Evening, everybody. Hope you all had a good Sunday. Well, good weekend. Right, really good weekend. Finished work about an hour and a half ago, and just fed all the animals. And Cass. Oh, he's gone to sleep. Oh, sorry, mate. Tap the glass one a sec. Oh, dirty look. I'll leave you to it, mate. Shrimp and fish all fed. Oh, sticking set. Needs to be cleaned out still. And here's Pop Pop. You right, baby? You good puppy, ain't you? Had your milk, haven't you? And your chew? And now you're snuggled up for the night. Honestly, guys, I swear he doesn't just always sleep. Just a very chilled little pup, isn't you? And once it gets to this time, we like to snuggle down, don't we? Yeah. Have a good night, everybody. Night.